If Adobe Lightroom Desktop is showing a cache error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix the Lightroom cache error using a few simple steps. This is a great solution if Lightroom is freezing, loading slowly, or showing strange errors related to cache files. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Desktop and go to Edit, then select Preferences. Inside Preferences, look for the Performance tab or the Local Storage section, depending on your version of Lightroom. Here, you should see an option to Clear Cache. This is the main fix, and in many cases, it solves the problem right away. Click Clear Cache and let Lightroom remove the temporary files that may be causing the issue. If the error is still there, the next step is to manually delete the cache folder. But before you do that, close Lightroom completely. This is important so the files are not in use. Now open File Explorer and go to C:users:, yourname:, app data:, local:, Adobe:, Lightroom:, caches. If you do not see the app data folder, make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer. Once you reach the caches folder, delete everything inside it. You do not need to delete Lightroom itself, only the cache contents. After that, restart Lightroom. The program will automatically create a fresh cache the next time it opens, which often fixes the cache error completely. Now, if you want to prevent this problem from coming back, go back into Preferences and open the local storage settings again. Here, you can change the cache location. For better performance, it is usually best to store the cache on an internal SSD instead of a slower hard drive. A faster drive can reduce errors and improve Lightroom's responsiveness. Another thing you should check is your available storage space. If your drive is nearly full, Lightroom may struggle to create or manage cache files properly. Freeing up space can make a big difference. Delete old files, move large media to another drive, or clear unnecessary downloads if needed. So to recap, the main causes of this Lightroom cache error are usually corrupted cache files or a cache drive that is too full. The quickest solution is to clear the cache, manually delete the cache folder if needed, restart Lightroom, and then move the cache to a better drive if possible. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.